Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In today's class, we are going to discuss about how to download and install Ubuntu Terminal for Windows. So by doing that, you don't need to download the ISO file of Ubuntu. You just need to download the Ubuntu Terminal. You can type all the commands using the Ubuntu Terminal. So for that, we have to open the browser and then you can type Ubuntu Terminal download for Windows. So after that, you can open the Microsoft. So after opening the Microsoft, you can select View in Store. So you can select Get. You can also select the latest versions like 22, 24 or 20. And then you can also select other Linux like Debian, Ubuntu Preview, Winch WSL. Now we are going to install only Ubuntu Terminal for Windows. So now you can see the installation process. So the total size will be 350 MB. So I have to wait for the installation. So after the installation process is completed, you have to open. If you faces any errors like WSL error or any other installation error, so you have to open optional features. For that, you have to type Windows R and then you can type optional features. Optional features. And then you have to select OK. So after that, you have to select two options like virtual machine platform and then you can select Windows Subsystem for Linux. You have to enable these two options and then you have to restart your PC. After that, you won't face any errors. So now you can type your username. So I'm going to type my name and then you can type your password. So after that, you can see Ubuntu Terminal is successfully installed. So you can type your Linux commands like ls or cd or pwd, or you can install updates like apt update. So if you faces any permissions, you have to use sudo. So you have to wait for the update. So it will take some time. So all the updates are successfully completed. So if you want to remove the previous commands, you have to type clear. So that's it. So this is how you can install Ubuntu Terminal in Windows. So if you like my video, please subscribe and share to your friends who wants to use Ubuntu Terminal for Windows.